Hello, in this video I'm going to show you 3 methods to take a screenshot on Samsung Galaxy A06. The first method is press the lower volume button and the power button at the same time like this. As you can see, a screenshot is captured. The second method is go in a status bar, scroll down. Here you will see a screenshot option. If it is not showing here, then go in edit, tap on edit here. Select the screenshot from this menu. For example, take a screenshot option is here, tap on it, simply tap on done. Now let's check it out. Simply go on a status bar. As you can see here, take a screenshot option is showing. Simply tap on it. As you can see, a screenshot is captured. The third method is go in settings, scroll down, go in accessibility, go in interaction, tap on assistant menu and enable it from here. Allow it. As you can see, assistant menu is showing. Now let's go on home. Simply tap on assistant menu and tap on screenshot. As you can see, a screenshot is captured. Now if you want to edit a screenshot, you can simply tap on edit. You can crop it. Use pencil or pen. For example, I am using pen of red color. Mark around anywhere. Here you can see eraser option, tap on it. You can erase the pencil. This option is for direct screenshot sharing and this option is for saving. I will simply tap on save. A screenshot is saved in my gallery. Let's check it out. As you can see, this is my latest screenshot. Now if you want to take a long screenshot, for example, I am taking a long screenshot of this website. Simply tap on assistant menu, screenshot. Here you can see scroll down option is showing. Tap on it. Tap again on it. Again. Now let's see the results. As you can see, my long screenshot is captured. These are the 3 methods of taking a screenshot on Samsung Galaxy A06. If this video helps you, like this video and subscribe the channel for more information.